Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this very special episode of Little Trailer Big Adventures. Before we go ahead and open this package, be sure to hit subscribe. We are going to start bringing you some Steven Spielberg quality stuff.
What's in the box?
We've got this here package. We're going to take you inside and open it up. Let's go.
What's in the box?
No surprise here what it is. We were looking at investing in a drone a little more than a year ago, and wow, this is what we decided to go with. Incredible. Propellers? Oh my god, look at all the things. Cables and things. Ooh, there we go. Charger. Books. I don't know what I'm doing. And thus concludes the maiden voyage of the Mavic 2 Zoom. I'm not a drone pilot, so we'll get better in time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Cause waiting is the hardest part.